Girl gang, swallows, baby, sounds good, dripping, rain, roll the truth out, ending, all right. Girl gang, swallows, baby, I snap, dripping, rain, roll the truth out, ending. Level up, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, wow. Level up. All the stuff is so yummy. All the stuff so yummy. No, you want this yummy. Yummy all your time.
Hey Sophia's Madam Sophia here again to do another eyeshadow tutorial. This time I'm going to do an eyeshadow tutorial that is inspired by the infamous Ciara. As you guys know, recently, well, not recently, well, I don't know how recently it was, but she went to the Met Gala with this lovely green extravagant dress with her extravagant makeup. She made an entrance, honey. She made an entrance with that dress. And I understand, yes, other celebrities did make a huge entrance, like Cardi B, Nicki Minaj, and a whole bunch of other celebrities. They did an amazing entrance at the Met Gala. But the one that really stood out to me the most is Ciara's dress. And I thought I would come on here to do an eyeshadow tutorial that is inspired by Ciara's 2019 Met Gala dress. I think I'm going to leave a picture of it somewhere on the screen so you guys could see what I'm talking about, so you guys could be in the mix about what I'm talking about. But I'm going to leave a picture of Ciara's dress on the screen somewhere so you guys could see. But I hope you guys love this tutorial. If you're new to the Madame Sophie channel, I hope that you like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell that's right next to the subscribe button in order to be in the Sophia's squad. You got to be part of the Sophia's squad because you are a sophisticated lady. So don't forget to watch this video. Of course, watch the entire video. And after you're done watching the entire video and you see how great this channel is, how fabulous, and yes, after you're done watching the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the comment button, drop something nice in the comment section. You know, just send some sophisticated love over here, okay? So don't forget to hit that bell, subscribe, join the Sophia squad because you are a sophisticated lady. Your presence here on my channel is certainly valuable. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, send some love over here. Tell your friends to tell their friends and their other friends and friends of friends of friends to come on to the Madame Sophie channel in order to join the Sophia squad. So I hope that you guys love this tutorial. And to my regular subscribers, my regular viewers, thank you so much for taking time out of your day to stop by again. And I hope to see you in the next video. So on to the eyeshadow tutorial. Okay, Sophia, so there you have it. I hope that you guys love this eyeshadow tutorial. Again, this is an eyeshadow tutorial that is inspired by Ciara'S Met 2019 Met Gala dress. I love her dress. I love how well the shades of green merged it very well, and she wore this huge Afro kinky hair. Well, Afro kinky, yaki texture hair, whatever you want to call it. She wore the biggest hair for this outfit, and I really love the way she looked. I really love the entrance that she made for this event. So there you have it. This is my Ciara inspired eyeshadow tutorial. I hope that you guys like it. Sophia, so that's going to be it for today. But before I leave, let me give you a quick review. Well, not a review, but let me tell you guys what I think about the Juvia'S Play Stripe eyeshadow palette. So this is actually the very first time I'm using this eyeshadow palette. I know that Juvia'S Place recently dropped a new eyeshadow palette. I think it is a peach or coral inspired eyeshadow palette that they released. As you guys know, Juvia'S Place have been doing some amazing things. They actually recently dropped their concealer line, their foundation line. They also dropped a new eyeshadow palette. They've been doing amazing stuff for the whole makeup community and so on. And I've had this palette for a long time to actually come to a review for you guys, but things started coming in the way and I was unable to. But I just want to say that this palette is amazing. As you guys probably know by now, this is actually the eyeshadow palette I used to achieve this look. In addition to using this eyeshadow palette, I did use some chunky glitter that I bought off Amazon. I will leave the link on where I bought it on Amazon. In addition to that, I also went ahead and I used my Fenty Beauty highlighters. For lips today, I went ahead and I used my Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paints in the color Unbutton and Unveil. And I also went ahead and I used a lip liner by NYX in the color, well, the NYX matte lip liner, the NYX Suede matte lip liner in the color Club Hopper. That's what I used on my lips today. So there you have it, guys. This is what I used for this eyeshadow tutorial. I do hope that you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. I hope that I was able to kind of give Ciara's dress some kind of justice based on this eyeshadow tutorial. I am loving this look. I think that this look, if you were to wear this look somewhere, you'd definitely be making an entrance with this eyeshadow look. So there you have it. This is an eyeshadow look inspired by Ciara's Met Gala 2019 Met Gala dress. So thank you so much for listening. Thank you for stopping by. I do hope that you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell to be part of the Sophia squad if this is your first time visiting the Madame Sophie channel. Don't forget to drop something nice in the comment section. Don't forget to tell a friend of a friend of a friend of a friend of a friend to, hey, they need to stop by on the Madame Sophie channel because we are all sophisticated ladies. So thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate your presence here on my channel, as you could have been elsewhere, and I hope to see you in the next video. To my regular viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by again, and thank you for staying in the mix, okay? So there, don't forget to be amazing, don't forget to be fabulous, don't forget to be you, and don't forget to be Sophie. Bye, honeys.
This beat is automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. With my body so melodic, this beat bursting through my chest. Everybody on the copy came to party, grab somebody, work your body, let me see you. Want you stop, rock it, don't stop it. Everybody get on the floor, rock the party up. We're about to get it on. Let me see you. Want to stop? You're the greatest love I ever see. Where you are, I'm gonna be. Stop loving you there for me. Can't change your energy. So you got what I need. I'll give you everything you need. I'm right for you. Wonder if I can cross your mind. Keeping you up in your